Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is based on some 3D nail art that I did a couple of weeks ago. So I did some 3D flowers on each nails, but the gel polishes that I used are from Miss You Beauty and they are from the Love Story collection. So with each individual nail, I show you what items I used, or what products, sorry, I used, the names of them. And the amazing thing about the Love Story collection is that it is thermal gel polish, which I absolutely love the effects of. The colours are amazing, and I was quite pleased with this set of nails. Unusual flowers, I must admit, but I do like them. So I apply the gel polish to my nails and then I use the 4D gels from Miss You Beauty. I have a black one, a brown one, a white one, a greeny one, a pink one, and I use all different colours on each individual nail. So so in order to use these 4D gels, you need to use the gel residue remover. Pop that in a little pot and I just keep dabbing my brush in it every now and then I pat out the 4D gel to the desired shape that I want, and then every now and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I sometimes use some crystals as well from Miss You Beauty on these nails, just in certain areas of the nail. So sometimes I'll apply that with the 4D gel as well, just sort of press it down into the 4D gel and then cure that, and it secures that in place. So all products that I used are obviously from Miss You Beauty in this video. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. Please excuse my dog just barking there. And don't forget I do have a discount code, Beautified10. So I shall leave you with this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up as always. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.